Hey everyone, it's Jamie here and welcome to P&O's Iona. Now today I filmed a real-time walk around deck 8 Promenade deck in me flip-flops, so I'd say a medium flip-floppy pace. It took 9.5 minutes for me to complete the circuit with approximately 1,000 steps according to the pedometer. Oh, and don't forget to click like and do subscribe if you haven't already. As we start our circuit forward on port side, we pass a number of balcony cabins which are indicated by P&O as being overlooked. A family sea view suite and directly ahead a crew pool and whirlpool area complete with lounges. The balcony cabins continue around the front of the ship. As we head from forward towards the aft on the starboard side, you'll notice more balcony cabins with large and overlooked balconies. Where prom deck widens, this is because the cabins here have smaller balconies, allowing for more chairs and lounges. You'll now notice on the right 14 Conservatory mini-suites. Prior to the outside of the grand atrium, there are also 3 good-sized infinity whirlpool spas which we enjoyed very much. And a word of caution here, obviously if you chose a balcony cabin in the vicinity of one of these whirlpool spas, you are likely to hear some noise from them. And here there's a cantilevered section of prom deck, a bridge if you will, curving around the outside of the wonderful grand atrium. You'll get some really lovely sunset pictures from here, trust me. Now on the right we are passing the specialty restaurant Sindhu, where items are now priced individually. I'll show you the interior of the restaurant in a dining vlog I've put together at another point. Next up, the seating area outside the fabulous new addition to the P&O fleet, the Olive Grove. Most items here are included in the fare of your cruise with a few supplements for example, the paella and lamb tagine. Again, more to follow on this great restaurant in the dining vlog. At the very aft we have the sunset bar, and look, as if by magic the sun is out. It also has 2 huge whirlpool spa tubs. This is a great spot to relax and of course enjoy magnificent sunsets at sea. We now head from the aft forward on port side. You'll find the same cabins in the same location as I showed you on starboard side, the bridge and another 3 infinity whirlpool spas, but the main difference here is the large area of outdoor seating attached to the quays. Casual fast food eateries serving excellent fish, chips, peas, curry sauce and pickles, Asian fusion foods such as chicken katsu curry, green curry with prawns, beef and black bean sauce, sweet and sour corn, and finally American fare such as burgers, fried chicken and hot dogs. There's also a buffet section for salads, fruits and sauces, plus cold and hot drinks. The Quays is a fantastic new addition and it's open for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Concludes our circuit of Deck 8 prom deck. I think it's great to have such a large ship with a complete prom deck and one that is used so much. So what do you think? Drop your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. I've got 6 blogs in the Iona series for you to enjoy. Don't forget to follow Travel Blog Jamie on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube.